Have you ever created a section in Revit and wished you could customize the section head to look more professional? Maybe you want to change the symbol, adjust the size, or even use your company's custom section head. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to edit section heads in Revit step by step. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consoles. Is this your first time here? Make it official, tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss out. Step 1. Select the section. Once selected, look at the property palette. Click on Edit Type, Section Tag. This is the name of the section. Section Head field. Close it. Step 2. Edit the section tag family. To customize the section tag, head over to the project browser. Scroll down to Families. Expand it. Annotation and Symbols. Scroll down to the section head. We have here M section head field. Select it. Right click. Edit. Now we can edit it. If you need this same shape and maybe you just want to reduce it, you can simply select it. Here is the radius. You can reduce it to 3. Let's use 3. Do the same thing here. 3. Then this one is the region. To make it faster, you can delete some of them. Select this, delete. Select this and delete. You can delete this as well, but I'm going to edit this. Select it, edit sketch. Let's use the pick line. Pick it. We have 3 there. Let's have 1.2. Something here. 1.2. Now join it here and join it here. Use the pick line. Select this and delete it. Delete the line. Make sure that everything is properly closed. Finish it. You can delete these lines. Then if you want to change the color, select it, edit type. Here you can change the color. Let's use this. As simple as that. Let me delete this. Here's the center line. I will offset 1.5. Then to create more line, click on Create Line. Pick it. Let me use 3. So I'm gonna extend this a little bit. Click on Create again. Line. If you want to use different shape, you can use any of these. Then if you need a thicker line, you can click this arrow drop down. We have the wide line, thin lines, medium lines, any one of the choice. I'm using the default lines. Let me join this to this. So what I'm gonna do is to create a line at the middle, then use the offset tool and offset 0.5. So now I'll use the fill region. Click on Create Fill Region. Let me use the pick lines and pick this. Click OK. So basically you can design anything of your choice. For the text, select it, edit type. If you are changing only this particular text, click on duplicate. But if you want to change everything at once, don't duplicate it. Just change the color. The font, you can change it as well. The text size, you can reduce it. Click OK. Let me use blue for the field region. Now step 3, load into project. We need to load it back into the project. Click on Load into Project. Then click on Overwrite the existing version and its parameter values. Select it. You can see that it has updated automatically. And that's how you edit section heads in Revit. If this tutorial helped you, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Revit tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Revit topic you would like me to cover next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.